Morning. Welcome back to Dynamic Mobile Audio. Today we have a 2014 Chevy Malibu. And we're just going to go over it real quick, give you an idea of what I look for when I come and look over a customer's car. This car is getting one stage paint correction. Let's dive into the car. So here she is, 2014 Chevy Malibu. Even just walking up to it, we have just surface dirt. There's no beading on the windscreen. We're going to be polishing, correcting that. The plastics are dull, so we're going to bring those back. And even up here, you can see, let's see, do you see the water? There's no beading. This isn't beading, this is just laying there. Moving on to the wheels, this is a simple detail. We're not taking the wheels off. Our premiums, we take the wheels off. We do a 3-stage decontamination of the inner barrels. That's in there. As well as claying and then coating it with Gyeon Rim or Gyeon Mode. They will get coated with something light to help protect them. We have a lot of tar deposits, road grime. This stuff doesn't come off with a simple wash. That's the 3-stage decontamination. We do the paint. The first stage is the washing, the second stage is the tar removal, the third stage iron out to remove iron particles, and we'll go over that as well. Interior. Bird bombs. Interior's not that bad. Let me get in here. We're going to use our micro swabs, get into there. This is vinyl, it is not leather, so we're not going to be doing any type of heavy coatings on this. That's not too bad. Alright, we're going to start with the interior. The reason I do the interior first is any dust that is released from the interior during that doesn't land on freshly cleaned paint. Do the interior first, then come to the outside, and do that. First step we're going to do is we're going to do a light vacuuming to get any of the big debris off. To our master blaster, we're going to go back into the interior. We're going to then blow all the cracks, the crevices underneath the seats to push the dirt from underneath them or out in any areas so they're exposed and they can be vacuumed easily. And that includes, the hard to get areas. Once that is done, we'll then go over with our rinse water and our Nextzett Deep plastic cleaner. This is great stuff I've been using for years. Spray and scrub the panels, rinse, next panel. After those are all done, we'll shampoo the carpets. And then we will come back with a light conditioner. We don't use Armor All or silicone. The very last thing that gets done in the interior is the inside wells, the door jambs, excuse me, are cleaned and the windows are done. But that is done at the end of the day. So, alright, I have completed the vacuum process. Then I went back with our sidekick master blaster and blew from the front up, or from the front back, and then vacuumed, and then from the back front. So this is what's remaining after a vacuum and after the blow. This is the most dirt right here that has come underneath the seat. And yes, you can get under there, you can take the seats out. If this was a premium 2-3 day detail, absolutely. This is a 1 day detail. So vacuum that up, get started on these panels, bring them back to life. just finishing up this Chevy Cruze. This one received 1-stage correction, 3-stage wash, clay, 1-stage polish, and then Gyeon Pure. Wheel cleanings inside, again, didn't take them off, but the ceramic coating is curing right now. Get this, see that? Interior came out wonderful, nice light coating. It is UV protection, but it doesn't have any shine to it. Some prefer it. This one, I just figured it would be better just to do a nice. This is when I drove it in. I gotta vacuum it out. Everything turned out great, nice and clean. Smells great. Huh. I should bring it out in the sun. But if you have any questions, please post them below. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe. And I will try my best to answer them in a timely manner. Boy, I'm just hot. I'm beat. This was a 1.5-day project. This one was about a day. Until next time, guys, take care.